How to add multiple cities to Wanderlog? First, open Wanderlog.com and create a new trip. Add your travel dates. This helps Wanderlog organize everything by day. Once the trip is created, go to the left side panel and click Add a Place. Type your first city, for example, New York, and add it to day 1. To add more cities, simply repeat the same process. Click Add a Place, type your second city, like Washington, D.C., Boston, Chicago, anything. And place each city on the day you plan to visit. You can drag the cities up or down to rearrange the order of your route. Now click on each city and start adding places you want to visit, restaurants, photo shoot locations, museums, parks, anything. Wanderlog will automatically show them on the map and organize your route. Select any place and add optional details like time, notes, or cost. This helps your multi-city itinerary stay clean and super organized. And that's it. That's how you add multiple cities to Wanderlog and build a perfect travel plan. See the customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.